the evening in Australia, and today we'll be showing you after 3 days how it is in Australia. So the cloud decided to show out again, lots of them, and we have this pole in front of us down the way, and we have some more trees, and there's some ants here. Look at those ants. There's another one over there. I don't know if you can see them, but there's red ants. Those are big red ants. You see them? Right over there. The queen looks big if you see the queen. Well, they decided to come out. Look at these other ants. I'm not going to hold any of them because they can bite me. There's 2, 3 holes. No, there's 3 ants holes. So you can look closely. They're bringing something out. They're bringing something out. I wonder what it is. Can you see? There's something. They're bringing something. They're bringing something out. Look, they're bringing something. I don't know what that. Oh, they dropped it. I'm gonna look in the hole very closely. When they get bigger, they can fly, I think. Whoa. I don't want to get stinged by one.
Look,
Don't touch it.
Yummy.
My brother wants to touch it.
Aye.
Oh, there's a big one.
Oi.
Oi.
Oh.
My brother's scaring him. Look at those. Oh, they're coming. Okay, we're going to show the clouds again because my brother's getting scared and he's scaring them after a little bit more seconds. Oh, look at these ants. Whoa, there's grass in this one. I really want to... In Australia, if it rains and the ants' homes, they break, so they make another area. Last time, I remember, their home was over here. Last time, I remember, their homes were over there. That place. So I'm going to see the homes of their house. Actually, we're going to see some more ants. What? Look at this big tree, guys. A big tree. It's very big. This tree is very big. So let's go. Let's see some more stuff.